All right, guys, 11 o'clock right now. I have the left side taken off. Okay, I tightened up the rear bolt already. You guys can see it. I do need to put the new bolt in here for the front with some locking washers. I tightened that one up. You guys can probably see the clean threads there at the bottom where it was quite loose. Well, it's going to be loose. I'm surprised it didn't break, but yeah, so we'll put this other bolt in, nut and bolt in. We'll tighten that up. As I said, I have tightened a few things up in here while I'm at it, and I have it open. Make sure things are tight. I'm gonna get my heat gun out. I'm gonna melt this down, and then I'm going to get some weld bond and another piece of plastic, and I'm going to weld them together to try and fix this piece here. And hopefully the pins are deep enough to hold. I think they will be. So yeah, that's really about it. So anyway, so here we are. We're on the left side. One nut, one bolt to put in. She looks pretty bare bones with this plastic stuff off, but it's actually quite easy to take off once you've taken one side off totally and you realize you didn't have to pull every pin out. And then we'll be good to go here once again. We'll be able to plow here with the quad if we need it. So I guess this is what, update number 4. Like I said, the pins are coming on Monday. I'll put all the new pins in. I'm gonna wipe things down. I'm gonna use some oil and wipe some parts up here and keep some rust off as well. Do some cleaning while I have it apart. And yeah, we'll be good to go. So this is update 4. Who knows what update 5 is going to be. We'll catch up with you all later. This is Fred VE3FAL on Saturday morning in Thunder Bay, Ontario, YQT. Just doing some quad repairs. Take care, folks. Talk to you later. Stay safe. Watch out for the other guy, because the other guy may not be watching out for you. Talk to you all later.